Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you go quite well and subscribe my telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide new notification of any videos or data. So today I have stylish business flares, these files in two different format. One is EPS for Adobe Illustrator, here is 5 templates, and JPG is just for preview, and main file is here PSD for Photoshop. Here is 14 templates, so you can edit on your own choice. So first I drag this file to Photoshop, drag there, extract, and you need a photo or you can change color, you can apply gradients overlay. So simply we need an image. For example, I import this photo, resolution is 2000, undo, drag there. Okay, right click, create clipping mask. You see our photo in this shape. You can drag anywhere, write your any text and select this, change color, match our dress color, or depend your own choice. Okay, these files in CMYK color, no, and same files are here, just you import. Import your designs, photos, or you can write your any text here. I know you can edit it. How to edit? Just simply import your photo and right click, create clipping mask. Then you can change password, colors, text format, or style. And finally, I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my this telegram channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.